Okay, so let's continue our working with this device. Okay, so I have just received all necessary capacitors for this device, yeah. So I think we can continue with our jobs. And I think that right now we can start soldering all of those capacitors. Looks very nice. Let's finish with two leftovers. I have not found actually 2 volt 470. There were in, I think in Mauser, but yeah, I would have to wait a lot, so I decided that I do not wanna wait too much, and I ordered those from Farnell. Farnell is also good company, nothing bad with it. And can use those perfectly fine also. Okay, so we have finished with capacitors. And now we can proceed with tape transport. Look at that tolerance. This is fully in, and caps are just barely have some like 0.5 millimeters left. So that is fine. And about this part, it is also fine. So I have managed to get very good tolerances with capacitors that I have bought here. Okay, so now let's remove the main board for now. That looks very nice, and I think right now we will maybe put some dioxide into these switches here. And okay, we can put this aside. Okay, so this thing we can put aside. Motor seems to be fine, but just because we are right here, I think we can also lubricate it. Now, so what do we have to do? We have to remove some screws. Okay, let's not forget this one. Okay, so to disassemble the motor, we have to undo those two screws to remove spindle. So right now let's use a bit of oil. Super. Super, just super. Okay, so right now There are very small washers on this one. This spring will be very tedious to put on. Okay, so before doing anything else, let's do one more thing. Let's clean those capstans from oil. Okay. So this part is fine. Now let's grab new belt. Okay, so I have found required belt. This is old one. We are not gonna use it, and this is the new one. But before this part, we have to clean those shafts. Not shaft, but the part where the belt goes on those pulleys. Okay, so right now I think that we can proceed with full assembly process. But before, as always, let's use some lithium grease. Okay guys, that moment of truth is coming. It's coming very fast, actually. Good. This will be placed. Now let's put on the door. Let's solder then all of those wires back. All of the joints are looking just perfect. So right now, what I will try, maybe let's put this one back. Okay. Just like that. This is gonna be just for testing, you know. Okay, what we can do right now. Okay, since this device doesn't have that DC power jack, I think I will get the battery. I found the battery. Let's grab some headphones and cassette, and we will test it. So for now, seems like everything is okay. So let's put in the battery. Not the battery, let's put in the cassette. And moment of truth. And we have the sound on both of the headphones. And it is spinning also just perfectly fine. So I think we will continue to test the device. Also we will check the dolby levels and so on and so forth. So right now I will do some break. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is checking take-up torque. So we can do this together. Okay, so let's start and let's stop this one. And we have like 35. And rewind direction, also like 35. Okay, so it is regarding then specification, because specification says 33 plus minus 6 grams. So we are in. I have also checked pinch rollers pressure with this device, and we had like 140 in one direction and another direction 160, so it is also perfectly in the range that the service manual gives. Yeah. Okay, so right now let's check them. Okay, 120. So we finished this. Now I think we can assembled finally door to the device, yeah. Alright, now what we can do, I think let's put on this part and we will set tape speed at first. I have already checked clock for the processor, so it is like spot on. It is a bit varying between 2850 and 2900, something like that. So the variation regarding the service manual is also plus minus 50 hertz, so everything is fine with that part. Okay, so let me prepare for tape speed adjusting. Good. So potentiometer for speed adjusting is right here. Now let's grab. Okay, I think everything is in the picture or in the range. Okay, so let's put in one direction, and we have right here. I think it is fine. Regarding service manual, we are perfectly in the range. Now what we can do, we will set then output levels, yeah, or Dolby levels, let's set. But before that, I will do azimuth adjustment, and as always, I will put photos in the video. I like those Aiwas very much due to that option to set azimuth in both directions, you know, for playback. Not a lot of players give that opportunity. Let's lock the azimuth. Okay, just like that. Okay, so tape speed, azimuth. What's next? Next is Dolby levels. So we will do this right now. Let's grab Dolby cassette. There you are. Okay, maybe let's wait a bit while that nail polish will be strong. I forgot maybe to mention, but I had a problem after assembling. that device won't play in forward direction. When that reverse mode switch is turned into repeat once, there is absolutely no chance to play in the forward direction. In rewind direction, that device played just perfectly fine, but in forward direction, it just hesitated to do that. It just starts to play and it stops actually immediately after two tries. Yeah. So what I have found out that this little guy, this is 1 mega ohm resistor, is faulty. So I changed it with new resistor. It is a bit smaller in dimensions, but its characteristics are the same, and now it works just fine. Okay. So let's look, what do we have? Okay, all the equalizers are off and good. So testing points, they are right here. Left channel, right channel, and ground. Right channel potentiometer, left channel potentiometer. Okay. Let's start. This will be kind of tedious, but what you can do. So let's start playing. Good, and let's check what do we have regarding left channel. Left channel we have 96. Right channel 94. Let's check what values do we have to get regarding service manual. Okay, so regarding service manual, we have to get 100 plus minus 10 millivolts. So actually we can do like 100s and it will be perfectly fine. So let's try to do that. As always, this testing is very tedious process. Okay, it is not necessary, but we can also test another direction. What do we have in another direction? And we have like 98 and 103, 102. So it is just perfectly in the range that service manual mentions. Yep. Can stop playing this tape. This is very nice unit, and as you can see, the margins for the capacitors that I managed to find are just perfect. And actually what we can do more, I think it's nothing. Yeah, we can just assemble the device and use it and be happy. So I think let's remove that tape. Let's put it away. Power supply, and we can just assemble the device. Good. good right now. Let's loosen a bit those screws, because as I remember, we will have to squeeze in that metal part. So that's it. Let's put in the battery. And let's play some music at last. Or you know what? Maybe let's do one more thing. Let's demagnetize tape heads. Once more. I have done this, but there is nothing wrong to do it again. This is not isopropyl alcohol, this is specialized stuff for cleaning video heads and also audio heads. Yeah. Okay, let's put in cassette. Okay, so cassette is in, and okay, this is normal type, no Dolby, and what about the volume? We have something. Okay, rewind, fast forward, everything just works perfectly fine. So, as always, I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.